Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ariel Davila and this is going to be a short video where I'm going to show you three measurements that can help you draw a portrait with good proportions and that will look like the person you're drawing. But before moving on, I remind you to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you don't miss other videos. We know that when we draw the head, we can divide it into three thirds, from top to bottom, starting with the hairline, the crest of the eyebrows, the base of the nose, until reaching the tip of the jaw. But sometimes we can also do is divide it into five equal parts. We can take the width of the nose as a reference measure, which has the same width of the eyes. These measurements, as well as the three thirds that we divide the head into, generally apply to most people, but you have to take into account that there are always variations and not everyone is the same. The first measurement we can do is the one at both ends of the nose or the wings of the nose. If we make a line upwards, we will see that is in line with the tear duct of the eyes. The second measurement is the one at the corners of the mouth. If we make another line, this coincides with the center of the eyes, and the third measurement we can make is a diagonal line from the corner of the eye socket downwards, touching the wing of the nose and reaching the middle of the upper lip. These are the three measurements that we can do when we are drawing the face from the front, but keep in mind that each person is unique and there are individual characteristics in each person. Also, these measurements can vary according to the angle of the head or expressions. How these measurements help you draw a more accurate portrait.